Here's a nice approach on how to make the most out of the three major chords inside the major scale. For this example, we're playing over B major. Now here's the thing, we're barely going to be using scales, we're mainly going to be playing the triad shapes. Now something to bear in mind, the notes of these three chords are actually going to give us the 7 notes of the major scale. Let's go half step up to the key of C to try to understand this concept a little bit better. So now C major, we're just half step up from B, right? But it's still a really comfortable place on the guitar. Compared to B major, we have no sharp, so it's easier to understand it theory-wise. So now let's play those three triads and compare them to the C major scale. We're going to realize that we have the 7 notes, right? So let's start with C major, the 1 chord. I have the root, the 3rd, and the 5th. I already have 3 notes, I'm missing 4 notes. Then I'm gonna go to the 4 chord, right? I have the root, the 3rd, and the 5th of F, but I wanna relate those 3 notes to C major. So I actually have the 4, I have the 6, and I have my first common tone here, the root or the octave, right? I have 5 notes, I'm missing 2. Now if I go to the 5 chord G major, I have the root of G, I have the 3rd of G, and I have the 5th of G. But right away the first note is a common tone, right? G is the 5th of C, so I already have the 5th, I have the major 7, and I have the 2nd or the 9 here, right? So this sound is I play in the major scale in just a different order. So for my first phrase, I have this. I'm mainly playing triads, in this case, root position, B major, the 1 chord, strings 1, 2, and 3, to F sharp major, 5 chord. Here I go to the 4 chord.